I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will understand principal component analysis, or PCA, using a simple apple example. Imagine we are scientists studying apples. For every apple, we measure four things: weight, volume, sweetness, and crispiness. That is a lot of columns to compare. Step 1. Find correlations. Weight and volume often increase together. That means they both describe a common idea: size. Step 2. Build principal components. Principal component 1 captures size. Principal component 2 captures taste and texture, like sweetness and crispiness. Now, we simplify the data. Instead of 4 columns, we keep only 2 principal components. After PCA, we store just 2 numbers. Now, the apple is represented by size and taste. Why is this useful? We can visualize 2 dimensions, speed up computation, and reduce noise by ignoring tiny details. Summary in simple terms: PCA is like cleaning a messy room by sorting 100 toys into just a few big boxes. We lose tiny details, but we gain a clear picture of what matters most.